Okay, so how about we check out some of those boombox noises? I'll play about 5 of my favorite ones for you, so you all have an idea of what they sound like on the outside. Alright, so first we'll do the goat. Next we'll do the fart. Alright, next we'll do the old horn. Alright, next one we'll do DJ. That's crazy. Alright, for the last one we'll do, I don't know, we'll do, there's one called Ta-da. Let's see that one more time. Oh, it's kind of cool. Alright, so that's the boombox noises. Okay, so now we're all hooked up and charging. In the meantime, what do you think we should do? I think we should play on a arcade game. So let's check it out. As if you come over here to the screen, you hit this little pop-up menu right there like we did earlier, entertainment, and all the games show up. I want to play the beach buggy one. Let's see. So we hit beach buggy and we go to play game. Okay. And my battery is currently charging right now. Takes a little while to load. Okay, so let's go ahead and just do one player. Sure, we'll pick that guy. He looks cool. And then continue. Yeah, level's fine. We'll just do this regular chill one. Why not? Alright. So I know in this game you use the steering wheel and the brake pedal. You don't have to use the gas pedal because I believe it's always on the gas. Or I should say accelerator pedal. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Cool. Well, it's a lot of fun. I'll go ahead and finish this game later. But it's really neat how you can literally play an arcade game while the vehicle is charging with the steering wheel. It doesn't get much better than that. Okay, so let's check out Netflix. Let's say you're at a charging station, or you're waiting on a friend that's taking a while, and you have some time to kill. Instead of looking at your phone, why not watch Netflix? So let's go back to Netflix, and if you go look at the screen right here, we have this pop-up menu. We go to entertainment. Make sure it's on theater, because there is also arcade. So make sure you're on theater. You have a few choices, but let's do Netflix. It will always need a little bit of time to load. It's usually pretty quick, but it depends on your connection. There we go, that's pretty fast. Alright, so there's Netflix for you, and let's see what is new and popular. Alright, and let's just play something real quick so you could see it. We'll play Selena, how about that? Alright, and then we hit play. And there you go, it's about to play. And that is Netflix and Tesla. Alright, let's check out dog mode now. Oh wait, do I have a dog? Maybe. Let's see. Oh, there she is. What's up, Sasha? So we can use dog mode. Awesome. Alright, so let's see how dog mode works. So in case you aren't familiar with dog mode, It basically keeps the AC running while you leave your car and your dog stays in here, you know, for those hot days and whatnot. So this is how you do it. You go back to this main screen. So we go to, no, actually it's under the AC options right there. So over here you have dog mode. You just hit dog like that. And then it should keep the inside temp at 68. So I'm gonna exit the vehicle and there should be a dog mode screen that pops up. That's dog mode.